Hello folks, how you doing? It's Andy. Right, so for any of you that are still using my build, you would have noticed there was been a small update pushed. I'm going to show you how to get this set up and get the most out of the build. Okay, first of all, let's get along here to the wizard. Right, bring that up. We'll go to cleaning tools. Right, there's only a couple of video add-ons in it. Alright, I'm going to do a total cleanup. We'll clean up all, and then I'll go to advanced, and you'll see there's no errors in the log. I'll do a wee quick scan for broken repositories, and I'll check all the repos I've installed. I'll let that finish. Alright, it says everything's working. Alright, so we're going to come out of that and go back to the home screen. Right, first one you want to do is go to the apps and go to authorize RD. Right, under Universal Resolvers 2, scroll across, come down, go to Real Debrid and authorize your account. I've already done that on this, obviously, because I was testing it out, so I'm just checking. Make sure you know what you're doing, right? Then go into add-on browser, alright, go to my add-ons, scroll down, go to video add-ons, go into Patriot, go to configure, okay, go down to, where is it? Debrid, there it's there, and enable your Debrid service and authorize your Debrid. I've already done it in here, so I won't bother. Right, so once that's done, Asgar's done, Rising Tides will work, Torque Light should work. However, I am on my PC and it has thrown up an error, but I've just checked it on my Shield and it's working fine. Let's just have a look. If we open, yeah, it's opening, so that should be fine now. Fen Light, okay, go in here and go to open, right, go down to tools, go to settings, right, sorry, and in here go to accounts, okay, and over where it says external scrapers, you can't see it really because the way the bar is highlighting it. Make sure that's on enable, choose external scrapers module, select that, and as you see, go down and select Cocoa Scrapers, alright, and set that as your external. Down a couple and enable Real Debrid and authorize. I've already authorized, so I don't need to do it, okay, and that will be done for that. Fights on Demand will work. Mad Titan Sports, I've put that in extra if you want to use that. Seren, alright, so we all know that we need to configure Seren quite often. Go to providers, manage provider packages, go to install package, go to web location, type in http://bit.ly/a4k scrapers, and there it's down here. Alright, just select that, then select done, then install that, okay, come back out, go up to accounts and enable Debrid. I've done this, obviously I've done all this because I had to test it and authorize your Real Debrid in there, alright. Sport HD should work, the loop should work, Umbrella, new add-on I've added in, so go into that, go to configure, same again in here, we want to go to Real Debrid and authorize your Debrid. You can see mine's is already done because it says revoke rather than reauthorize, okay. Onto providers, make sure the external providers is on, and again, same thing again, go down and select the Cocoa Scrapers module, alright, and that will set that up, and then that is about it. Subtitles are already pre-installed for you. Program add-ons, There's a couple in here. The auto completion I've got in for yous. I've already got tracked in. Everything else is the same. And that should be it. Everything should be working. We'll just go in and we'll just check. So let's select this movie here, Badland Hunters, and we'll just make sure all the add-ons are working okay. Let this do its thing. Select a link. Let it do it. And there you go. So that's up and running. So that's Asgard. You got 4K popular movies, docs, TV shows and sports. Patriot, we've got war movies. I'm quite into my war movies, so that's why I linked that down there. Dunkirk. I'm just choosing one at random here. Alright, working fine. Movie collections in here. You can. It says there's a couple of free ones. I just use Deborah, so I wouldn't know. 4K. The Tiger's Apprentice, whatever that is. There you go. So that's on. Your TV box sets. I've seen my missus watch this, so I don't know if it's any good. Alright. I don't want to leave anything up too long because I'll get done in. Comedy. Dave Chappelle.
From DC.
Alright, that's working. And last of all, docs. Sharp docs. Let's go in here. Oh, no, that didn't play it. Must have just been that random one. Alright, so that's up and running. Seren. Stranger Things. Let it do its search. And it should come on. Alright, done and done. We've got popular, trend in recent TV and new TV shows. Alright, so new TV shows, I don't know. Gladiators Australia. Gladiators. Anyhow.
Hey guys, us Gladiators.
It's working. Right. Umbrella, this is the one I was talking to you about, so let's find this one. Let it run through and do its thing. Right, it's finding one link there. No, it's not. Right, obviously, let's have a look at something else then. June. Right, there you go, it's pulling plenty there. A 100 gigabyte, just under. Obviously you can go in and change your settings and things like that, subtitles. I've never seen this film, so...
Stories.
Everything important happens when we're away.
It looks as if it is where it should be. Fen light. Let's have a look at the beekeeper. I watched this the other day, quite enjoyed it, quite a decent film. Typical Jason Statham though. Alright, and then on to the sports. As I said, Rising Tides, Fights on Demand, Torque Light, Sport HD, and a loop. Alright, and also behind the main one, Asgard Sports, trusty old Asgard. And that is about it. Alright, as you can see, but and if you go in here, there's another couple of add-ons in here. You've got like Daily Motion, as I said, Mad Titan Sports for a backup, but you can go in and any of the repositories I've installed, you can put different video add-ons that you want. Like if you're wanting your adult stuff here, whatever, just go through and pick what you want and link it. It's as simple as that. What else we got? Some magnetic repo, video add-ons. So look, there's Nightwings. A lot of them all pull the same places. So Essential, Shazam, Shadow, whatever, you know, there's lots to choose from, but I've just put in what I think works for me, and if you want to use it, use it. If you don't. Alright folks, that's about it. Alright, happy viewing, and I'll speak to you later. Bye.